Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
मेरे साथ चलिए इधर से गाइस एक सेकंड
One second.
गाइस
That's it.
On 26th January Republic Day, Thumbs Up, CNN, IBN and Being Human, along with the American India Foundation, launched Veer, a campaign focused on unleashing the potential of the differently abled people in our country. The campaign Veer shares its core philosophy with Thumbs Up, which everyone believes has potential. We just need to unleash it. आपने सुना ही होगा तूफान सबके अंदर होता है सिर्फ धक्का सुनील Sasrabuddhe with us among us who will speak to us, who have achieved unparalleled success in their endeavor through a combination of hard work and applications of their abilities to the best possible extent. These who speak a little bit more about the campaign, may I request the American India Foundation CEO, Mr. Hemant Paul, to say a few words. And for the benefit of media, sir, can you please stand up and talk? Please.
First, thank you, Samir. I'd like to thank Mr. Khan, Being Human, Thumbs Up, Devu, Rajdeep, Network 18. And
He is hearing impaired, so he'll be speaking through sign language, and may I request the interpreter to translate it for him.
Yeah, good evening to all. This Veer campaign, I have gone before. I liked it very much. This idea is really good. Again, I have come here. I'm very happy about it. The Veer campaign, it's like for disabled people, we don't want sympathy. It is for support, equal support for the deaf. So I think the Thumbs Up Being Human team will do well. All the best to you all. Thanks for the support.
Thank you, Sunil. May I request Mr. Devrata Mukherjee, the head of marketing for Coca-Cola India and Southwest Asia, to say a few words.
Good evening. Thank you for coming out here and supporting us in large numbers. This is the true Veer. After him, whatever I say will come up short. The only thing I'll say is that brand Thumbs Up believes that heroes are not born, heroes are made. The platform of brand Thumbs Up is creating heroes. We believe that an initiative like this, Veer, wherein we've got partners like CNN, IBN, TV18, AIF, Salman's Being Human Foundation and Salman's personal focus can create a long-term movement to ensure that our friends who have some form of disability get a platform to showcase their talent, and it becomes a campaign, a movement, and by which we can touch millions of lives. So thank you very much for coming out in large numbers and supporting the campaign. As Rajdeep said, this is not the finale, it is just the end of the beginning.
Thank you. Let me just tell you a little bit about the campaign. When it set out to do, we showcased 100 stories of Veer such. May I request Mr. Salman Khan to say a few words.
Good evening, thank you, welcome. लास्ट में बोलने का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सब लोग ऑलरेडी बोल चुके हैं, और जो लास्ट वाला बोलना चाहता है वो ऑलरेडी बोल चुका है, और जो भी मैं कहूँगा वो सिर्फ रिपीट करूँगा जो उन्होंने कहा है. सो इसको शॉर्ट करते हैं. ये कहना चाहूँगा कि बीइंग ह्यूमन इज रियली हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ वीर, और ये शुरुआत है और आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या. आई होप कि हर साल, इस साल 1000 वीरों को जॉब्स मिल जाएंगे. आई होप कि अगले साल दुगने अमाउंट को मिलेंगे, और कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग ईयर बाय ईयर. बस.
Thank you. And I'll, as I I just mention that we have reached a milestone today. This is not the end. We've raised enough funds or pledges for 1,000 Veers and counting. May I request the dignitaries on the stage to hold the placard and showcase the success. Thank you. Thank you. In the interest of the cause today and the people who have assembled, we'll keep all the questions only on the Veer campaign, and just 2 questions if we can go ahead and ask, and please keep it on the Veer campaign. Melinda, can you help manage, please? Thank you, sir. I'm sure for Sunil they will listen to us. Any questions? Oh.
ये फंसवा दिया आपने उनको. Yes. The Veer, they don't want to know about.
Take it. So any last few words from any of the panelists?
Poison.
One question.
All right. Thank you. One question. Yes, please.
Hello, I want to ask a question that how this idea about the Veer came in the mind for all of us to know, because and also how it you got motivated to start that, so that the people who are supporting it is also aware.
Can I answer that?
Yeah.
See, part of doing a job like mine, which is heading marketing for the Thumbs Up company, is getting to know Salman, the man, in a much more closely. And we realized as a part of our conversations that Being Human Foundation, Salman, there's personal commitment, personal focus behind training, empowering people with disability. So it was Salman's insistence, our coming on board, and then finding the right partners in creating this campaign, which I'd like to refer to as a movement. So if you were to figure out who is responsible, I would say Salman is responsible in a big way for starting this journey. Does that find favor with you, Salman?
देखो यार, एक before signing on Thumbs Up, एक idea था मेरे पास, and it was called हुनर, कि हर एक differently able person को एक हुनर सिखाएंगे जिसकी वजह से उनको जॉब मिलेगा. तो ये शेयर किया था Thumbs Up वालों के साथ, और ये बोल रहे हैं कि इंसिस्ट तो नहीं किया था, जैसे सुनाया. ये भी काफ़ी, ये ग्रुप जो है बड़ा दयालु है और मददगार हैं, तो उन्होंने फट से ही आइडिया ले लिया और उसको वीर में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया.
Last question, please. We have a show and 250 people waiting, so last question. Thank you.
Well, I can hear you.
Go ahead, please.
Salman, recently there was a report that Being Human has made more than 150 crores. So would you like to tell us how you're trying to take this brand forward after it has now officially made such a big amount of money? Will you be just doing what you've been doing, or are you going to take it to another level?
150, nahin. I think it's about
I'm not sure of the figures, but it's more than.
I think it's about retail sales is about 300.
Retail sales. Yeah.
It's about 300, and see, we partner with people. We want them to make money, and so we concentrate on quality. आने दो भाई अंदर उनको, बहुत important है. And our 100%, after paying taxes and stuff like that, goes straight back into the charitable trust. And we're trying to start as many things, permanent things. That's the reason why we're slow. कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कुछ चीज़ स्टार्ट कर ली इम्पेशेंटली और जल्दी जल्दी में और वो बंद हो गया. So we've got the clothing line is doing really well, and then we're going to start with a few more things idhar-udhar, and it's going to be the same format for us like the worst business ventures. That is, जब भी आप कोई business करते हो, you want the maximum amount of profit. यहाँ पर मिलता है, लेकिन वापस से जाता है charity में. Important thing is that whoever we partner with, we want them to make money, and then it is their call whether they want to give it to charity or they want to keep it, for themselves. And with the help of people who buy our stuff, like obviously a lot of people are buying Being Human stuff, the clothing, and we're doing pretty well so far. And I think this year we plan to open about 40 more stores, and we would be in about 1,850 selling points. Plus we just tied up in Sri Lanka, and I think we got into Selfridges as well. So we're doing pretty okay. Now just we want to start the cafes, and we want to start the gyms, and we want to start all that kind of stuff. So all the money will, from our side, 100% of the money that we make will go straight back into the charitable trust after paying taxes.
Thank you. Also would like to tell you that along with Being Human, the Coca-Cola company also conducts the career development centers. One of them has come up in Ghaziabad, and another 4 are coming very soon. Again, that is in partnership with Being Human. A last question only on the campaign, if that is. Thank you.
I think there is perfect synergy. Not everything about the brand is plain vanilla advertising. The brand voice depends on what the brand does, and it's about walking the talk. If brand Thumbs Up truly believes that it is about unleashing the potential within, then coming together with partners like Salman's Being Human Foundation, the American Indian Foundation, TV18, then you're trying to walk the talk. Not everything is done with an input-output ratio of I do this and I get this. It's a long-term journey, and we believe that if we speak with the brand voice, we do the right things, then the long-term payouts are significant.
Thank you all for your time. Sorry.
जी हाँ, ऑलरेडी एक आई थिंक हर स्टोर के अंदर एक differently able person है. We're trying to put that in all the stores.
Thank you very much for your time, gentlemen. Belinda will take care of you.
और हमने ये एक और चीज स्टार्ट किया है कि जो हमारा जो Facebook साइट है उसके ऊपर I've got everybody to, even they're part of that, कि they will hire the people from our site as well. जो उनका ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज का जो चक्कर है जहाँ से लोग हायर करते हैं, वो जो हमारे फेसबुक के साइट के ऊपर जो जितने भी फैंस हैं जिनके पास कोई नौकरी नहीं है, तो जैसे कि कोक है, there's Videocon, there is Venky's, there are a lot of people, there's Rotomax, all my brands, they will hire people from my fan base basically. So we've already done about 4, just started. एक हफ्ते पहले 4 लोगों की नौकरी ऑलरेडी लग चुकी है. आई जस्ट होप कि ये जो फैन बेस काफ़ी है क्या बोलते हैं फेसबुक साइट पर, वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उनकी नौकरियां लग जाए. दैट्स व्हाट वी ट्राइंग. लेट्स सी कितना सक्सेसफुल होते हैं इसके अंदर, कितनी मदद मिलती है हमको इन लोगों से.
Thank you very much. Belinda will take care of you for photographs inside the shoot and for everybody else. Thank you very much. Can I request the guests to accompany me to the other briefing, please? Guys, please. Please, sir. Please. Everybody's waiting.
His son has come specially because he's your friend. Yeah, people have different things. I like to mix. I think.
Sir, please.
को बुलाना चाहेंगे और हमारे साथ हमारे सपोर्टर टीसीएस के सारे को बुलाना चाहेंगे और तेजस सर।
ये बहुत ही सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम सलमान सर के साथ फिर से यहाँ खड़े हैं। मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि सलमान सर सिर्फ आज की बात नहीं है, सर को याद भी है नहीं मुझे पता नहीं, मैं सिर्फ बताना चाहूँगा सर, आपको याद देना चाहूँगा कि आप ही हैं जिन्होंने उड़ान का एक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल एल्बम किशन जी के थ्रू रिलीज करवाया था। ये सलमान सर ही थे जिन्होंने हमारा एक एल्बम सुना था और आज ये हमारा सौभाग्य। मैं सिर्फ एक ही अपील करना चाहूँगा, एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव CNN IBN और सलमान सर की ट्रस्ट ने लिया हुआ है। मैं सिर्फ इतना ही चाहूंगा कि जो उड़ान बैंड जिसकी आज इतनी तरक्की हो रही है, सलमान सर ने एक एल्बम कट आउट कराया है। मैं चाहूंगा कि इन बच्चों को जो आज ये पुल मलखम कर रहे हैं, उड़ान एक ऐसा बैंड है जो म्यूजिकल शोज के साथ इनकी एक्टिविटीज को भी प्रमोट करता है, तो हम चाहेंगे कि हमें भी बहुत सारे लोग सपोर्ट करें और उड़ान को प्रमोट करने में सलमान सर के साथ हमारी हेल्प करें। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Let's take a look at. Right.
अभी मुझे क्या बोला सबको बताओ।
मैं सलमान सर से अभी कहा कि मैं एक्टिंग और डायरेक्टिंग में बहुत चाह रखता हूँ, तो मैं करना चाहता हूँ उनके साथ थोड़ा।
जहाँ पर मौका मिलेगा तुझे फिट कर दूँगा।
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.